Smell that island air. Fresh ocean breeze with a splash of coconut.
Thank you.
Welcome to the island.
Oh, you don't know how glad I am to be off that bumpy plane. Ooh, pretty! Pink is my favorite. Is this waterproof? 'Cause I'm all about the water sports. I can't wait to check out the killer waves. Killer waves? That sounds scary.
Aww. Now we can't forget our furry friends, can we?
My flower looks like a firework. Aw, that's so pretty, Rookie. Yeah, pretty awesome. Yours too, honey. Oh, Taffy, the pink matches your collar. Achoo! What's wrong? Don't you like your flower, DJ? I think I'm... Achoo! Allergic. Aw, look how cute the pups are.
Adorable as always. Look! Banyan Tree Park.
Whoa! The arch is even more amazing in person. Forget the tree. Are those dancing horses?
Surprise!
Cool! What a great surprise, Barbie!
I knew you guys would like it. I mean, dancing horses, right?
Wow! Check out those moves! I bet Lindsay can't do that.
It is pretty impressive.
Whoa, can all horses dance like that? I don't know. They're the only horses that I've ever seen.
You guys have been cooped up all day. Why don't you go play while we watch the show?
Sure feels good to stretch your legs. Come on, Taffy. Let's play follow the leader. That would be me. I'm a natural-born leader. Come on, follow me. Smooth move, Rookie. Huh? Whose music is that? My own. I move to the beat of my own drum. Oh, yeah. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Chelsea, you're missing everything.
I'm working on my routine.
You don't have to practice every minute. Try and relax.
Okay, I'll try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Here's my sweet girl Beauty in her debut performance. Her mother Silver was our first champion.
Aren't they amazing?
Yeah!
Beauty is about to attempt the capriole, the most beautiful leap of the dancing horses.
Aw, she's nervous. You can do it, Beauty! Yay! I did it!
Let's hear it for Beauty!
Beauty! Did you see me, Mom? Did you see me?
You did a great job, Beauty.
Not bad for your first time.
Whoa! What is this place? Puppy Playground! Wow! Wonder what this is. Ooh, spinny! Make that cool and delicious. I'll stick with this. Comfy cozy. Shiny buttons. What does this do? Awesome!
darlings, please. All that racket is making my fur ache.
Huh? What is this place? Do you live here? What's your name?
I am Archibald the Third, and this is my abode.
Nice to meet you, Archie.
Oh, not Archie, my little dumpling. It's Archibald the Third. I come from a champion line of Archibalds. I myself was best in show 4 times running.
What show?
Oh, so precious.
Sure is big for just one dog. You live here all by yourself?
Alas, I do now. My little mates, Archibald the Fourth, Archibald the Fifth, and Archibald the Sixth, have all moved on to the dog pageant circuit.
That's a lot of Archibalds. I've got 26 hours left until the competition. And if we get back by dinner, there's still time for me to rehearse on stage tonight.
Wait! Where are the puppies?
Oh, I wish my tail was naturally poofy. My stylist, Ricardo, he is...
Hey, Archibald. Who are you talking to?
It seems as though I have acquired a pack of pupkins.
Hey, look! It's Beauty!
Wow, you really know how to dance.
Why, thank you. Archie, do you dance?
Oh, me? Dance? No. I leave that to the magnificent equines.
What's an equine? What's magnificent?
Hey, Beauty, what's all the commotion over here?
Want to meet my new friends? Nice to meet you! You were great!
I know. I always am.
Can you teach us your moves?
Aw, aren't you adorable?
How did you get in there?
Can they stay and play?
The festival's over. Your girls must be looking for you.
Oh yeah, the girls!
We should get going.
Whoa! Is it me? Or are we moving?